Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Puppy Cuddles, back today with the second part of playing Halo Reach with my girlfriend Purple Phoenix. We are playing through the campaign, so make sure to watch the previous episode, and let's get straight into it, guys. Woo! Look at those banshees. Oh no!
The banshees I recognize. Those look just like in Halo Wars.
Yeah. Oh! Uh-oh. Yeehaw!
Oh!
I got a concussion from that one. Oh no, I forgot they gave you grenade launchers. No.
Can you hear
Oh, that was sad.
Six, you all right? I could use some.
That was sad. Yes, it's war.
Yeah, girl, I'm good. How about you?
Stop. Just stop, please.
Why?
Ow! Come here. Oh.
What? I can't hang with my bestie?
No. You know dang
Why?
well that's not your bestie. You trying to cheat on me with a fictional character?
I'm not trying to cheat on you, and if I were, it wouldn't be with her.
Then who would it be then? Ow!
Y'all stop being ugly for a second?
I'm already out of grenade launchers.
You got a grenade launcher?
Dude, you just shot your grenade
I have
launcher
a
right
grenade
now!
launcher? Wait a minute,
Yes!
I do have a
You
grenade
just
launcher.
shot it! Oh my gosh.
I didn't
Wait a
notice
minute,
what gun I had.
Dude!
I was wondering why the guy exploded.
Oh, look, a zoomy.
New target.
Azumi!
Shut down those AA guns.
Okay, but look, go in the, no.
Why?
No.
Fine.
Go in the rocket launcher. Go in the rocket launcher.
Wait, this is a rocket launcher?
This is a rocket launcher.
Move it!
So if we hold
Go
X,
away.
hold X. No.
Darn it.
Look, go at the back. Go in the
I
back.
did.
Hold X. Hold X. There you go.
There.
Okay, so
Yay.
if you make us go flying, you're not doing that anymore. Cause you can shoot the ground and we can go flying.
Really? I'm stupid right now.
Yes. I like how you have a rocket launcher and you managed to shoot, like, to kill one of them.
I know.
Ow!
I'm just like exploding stuff.
Ow! Oh, look, a ghost.
Kaboom! Yeah, kaboom!
Okay, hold on.
Me
Okay,
is
we gotta
doing
go.
my
We gotta go. Cat, get on my Cat. Oh no. Oh, no.
Did you just leave her there?
Yes,
So rude.
because that thing explodes. Look. See? And then that normally, like, if we stay there, we like blow up and die. So, if anything, I did you a favor.
I blew up a
Dang.
thing!
Yeah,
Did
no,
you see
it's
that?
like-
Did you see that?
Yes. There's gonna be a wraith right now. Oh, it's right here. Phoenix.
Where?
Ow! Those things are annoying.
Yay! I missed all of you.
You got one. No, you have two.
I hope this thing doesn't have ammo because I use an excessive amount of it.
Oh no, it's surprisingly it's infinite.
Sweet! That's perfect.
Oh no!
What the heck?
Oh, we landed it! Haha! I meant for it to happen. Ow.
Ah, yeah.
I meant for that to happen too.
Totally meant for that.
Okay, so you see that turret at the end of that bridge?
No.
See it?
No.
That orange thing? You
Oh
see
yeah.
it shooting? Shoot at it. There we go. So when it turns red, that means you should shoot because you're on to the enemies. Okay, Marines. Don't!
Ah!
Oh.
I aimed a little bit too low. It's okay.
Stop! You're gonna kill the Marines! You killed
But
one
I like
already!
shooting You're the one running them over.
I didn't even hit him, okay? Okay, that's where the ride stops. I'm done.
I like doing the exploding.
No, you explode yourself. You explode Marines. You're donezo.
Well, I killed that one Marine last time, but he deserved it.
Fine. After this, we can. Oh! Bad elite. Big bad elite. Big bad boss elite.
You know what would be helpful right now?
What?
A rocket.
I ran
launcher.
out of bullets. Stop.
Look, Andy, look.
TMI.
Andy, look.
But you like mine though? Ah.
Mine's better.
No, mine has an actual cannon on top.
Purple though.
This can be
Yours
purple.
is reddish. Yours is like magenta.
Reddish pink. Yeah, heck yeah, dude. Magenta's great.
Purple's better than magenta though.
Move! No!
What was that?
I was trying to make that little jump because there's some stuff up there.
Well, you just
No, I
ran into
can't.
me.
Because I thought you were gonna go. Because I was speeding up and everything to make that jump.
Well, you know what?
There's a race.
You know what?
Phoenix, help!
Nah.
You know, fine. I'll take it out by myself.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna hang out over here. Just new him around.
See, I did it. I killed. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's two. Oh, Phoenix, help is much appreciated.
Alright. Fine, I'm coming.
Wait, did I?
Actually,
Yes, I
died.
did it.
There's a blinking red thing at the top of my screen.
Oh, that means your life is too low. I can help you, but we need to find something like.
Sorry! Ah!
Oh gosh, no more playing. There's hunters.
Oh, Schnapple.
Ow. Throw your grenades. Throw your grenades.
I
Ow.
did!
No. No more. Ow.
I only had one!
He slapped me.
Ow, ow, ow,
can
ow,
you-
ow, ow,
Can you
ow,
go to
ow.
a safe place? I need to respawn. Run away from there.
Ow.
No, you're running directly into the enemy. Get out of there.
Oh, scared!
Okay, well never mind. I spawned in, so it's okay. Oh, I gotta hit these.
that?
Yeah, they're little buggy things. What are
Very
those?
ugly. What are those?
No, they're cute little flies.
What are those? What are those? What are those? Ah! Get away!
Oh yeah, I got him. All right, now we need to do this. Do you still have grenades by any chance?
No.
Okay, well, does this work? Okay, I guess we really need grenades then.
Andy, I want chicken nuggets.
I had chicken nuggets yesterday.
I want chicken nuggets. No, you know what I want? I want a Capri Sun. Like really bad.
I remember when we went to Lake Phoenix. We went to we had what are they called? We had Capri Suns. No, wait, were they Capri Suns? Yeah, they were, weren't they?
There were Capri Suns, yeah.
I found a
Downstairs.
grenade.
I need to get them. Yay.
Look at it. Look.
Ooh, it going kaboom. Ah, my leg's asleep.
Multiple contact. Weapons hot.
Oh, there's
Oh,
oh wait, my battery's going to die. I gotta
Oh,
change
battery.
them on my controller.
haha, loser. Why did you, like, I was like shooting, you walked like directly into where I was shooting.
Why? Why? You touching me?
No!
Need a lift, Spartan?
George! Yes! George! Hi, George. I want to sit next to you. Hey, George.
You won't let me hang out with my girl, but you're over here simping for George.
Well, yeah, it's George. Did you not see him? Woo!
I mean, facts though. Ooh, things.
Oh, wait. They're below us too, huh?
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, there they are. Oh, yeah, this is a grenade launcher. So now this time he can't explode us,
Yay.
so we're fine. Oh, no!
Ow.
Look your armor, Spartan!
Going down. I'm yelling timber.
Oh, this is a good one right here.
Ouch.
Damn,
Alright,
look at that big machine gun.
We shouldn't stay here.
I'm back. I'm back. There we go.
Stand by.
What's
Yeah,
this?
so you see that little thing right here?
Jetpack!
Yes, jetpack. But
Jetpack!
look, come here.
Jetpack!
Come here.
Jetpack!
Oh my gosh.
Jetpack!
Look, come here.
Jetpack! Jetpack!
Hold X. There you go.
What was that?
So those little H white things, they allow you to like regenerate your health.
Oh, that's
I was
good.
gonna say health.
Hey, George. How's it going?
Oh. Where did that guy go? Oh, he's right there. So be careful, because if you are too high and you fall down, you can take fall damage and you can die.
Okay.
I got my jetpack license a long time ago.
I want a jetpack. Jetpack! Andy, I flew on a jetpack. That was so cool.
Remember, don't go too high.
Yeah, whatever.
Wow. The next thing I see is teammate waiting to be respawned.
100%
Oh, this guy.
what would happen.
Oh, I could have done this. Ah, got him.
Yay.
Oh, yes. Come here. Oh, that's not the. Wait, where's the badge at? Where's it at? I hear it. Oh, they're up there.
Where?
Come on. To your left. Right here. Come here. Come here.
I'm coming!
No.
Ah!
Not
I
you. I'm
threw a
talking.
grenade again.
Yes. Come here. Come here,
Ah,
big boy.
what?
Come here,
How
big
did I end up
boy.
over here?
Where?
I may have flown too high. I'm taking a lot of damage.
Remember, don't go too high.
Yeah, whatever.
Come here, Benji. Come on.
Where are you?
Before. I'm right here. I'm like right in front of you.
Yeah, I threw my grenade.
No.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to hijack it. Did it just go low? Oh, yes it did. No.
I'm gonna die.
He's right here. Oh, stay there. Yes. Yes!
Did
I
you do
got
it?
it! Yes!
Oh, that's cool!
And you want to see something cool about it?
Yeah,
First, let me go to you. Where'd you go?
I'm on top of a rock.
Oh, look. Can you get this one?
Wait, where? That one?
Oh, yeah, because, like, when it comes close to you, just, like, use a jetpack to get to it, and then hold X.
Okay.
It's going to tell you to hold X.
Can you make it come over here? Is that
I
possible?
mean, I could try. Ow! Oh, no. Yeah, you don't want it no more. It's taking damage.
Whatever, I blew
Oh,
it
died.
up.
I'm sorry.
It's like, fine
I tried.
then. I didn't want you anyways. What the heck is that?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Whatever, I don't care. I'll
Wait,
blow up
wanna
yours
see something, though?
too. What? Oh! That was so cool! Whoa! I'm gonna pew pew you in the face. How about that? Okay, I missed
You wanna
entirely.
fly it?
Ah! No, it's okay.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. So now this is all up to you.
Wait, what?
You have to go inside there. You have to go up here. There's like these little teleportation thingy-majoggers. There you go. So you go in the little like beams. You see them?
Yeah.
There you go.
Whoa! That's cool. What's going on?
And be careful, because there's a lot of bad guys in there.
I'm en route with a Falcon.
Whoa.
We'll pick you up as soon as you knock out power
There
to
is a
that
lot of
shield.
bad guys in there. I'm scared.
Hurry, that
I
shield
don't
is
want to
clear.
die.
Now.
Oh god, this guy has an energy sword.
Ow.
Please don't hit me. I got it. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Ah.
It's okay.
Lieutenant, drop the shield and
Okay.
get out of there.
Oh, you got him. I was gonna do something cool, but it's okay. Look, we did it. We did it. We did it. We
All
totally did
right.
it. We did it. We did it. Yay!
Did it.
Look at this.
Whoa, look at me and my cool purple self. Whoa, yeah, George. Nice catch.
Get us out of here. Control, this is Noble 1. Spire 1 is green and you're free to engage. Have a nice day.
Copy that, Noble 1. Be advised,
Have a nice
all
day.
ground-
Woo!
Frigate 318 Heavy is inbound, and MAC rounds have been authorized.
Mac rounds in atmosphere. One way to get their attention. Hang on to your teeth, people.
Look at that. Look at that.
That looks cool. Whoa, they blew it up. Whoa. What?
No, somebody tell me this ain't happening.
UNSC Frigate Grafton, do you copy?
Grafton is dust. We need to get out of here now.
What's going on?
Look at that big ship.
What is that?
Big ship. I was gonna say sheep.
No, this is a big sheep.
Yeah, that's a huge Covenant spacecraft.
Dude, where did that come from?
The sky.
How did we not see that before though? Like they just they got our own big ship and we fly in there. But it's like ow.
It's like ow.
No, I just popped my knuckles. What?
Oh.
What? What? What?
Yes, we have our own big ships too, but
Well, we need to
those-
explode his big ship so that they stop. Poor Mario, he don't got Twitch.
Look at that. What does that look familiar?
Uh,
That spire was indeed a
not
teleporter
really.
linked to a cloaked Covenant supercarrier, a grave threat. Thankfully, help is imminent. 60% of
That was
the
just-
UNSC
I'm not gonna
is
say it.
en
I'm not
route
gonna say
to reach from existing deployments. The first battle group should arrive within 48 hours.
48 hours?
That's imminent? Uh-oh. Who's your money on this time?
Her.
You always pick her.
She's always had him dialed in.
That
Exactly.
thing's crushing us and we're waiting for backup. They'll be backing up a graveyard.
All our nukes are
she's
either
awesome.
out system or went down with the ships that carried them. You're preaching to the converted.
How converted?
I know that look, Cat.
You can say no.
No.
You don't even want to hear it.
Fine, I'll hear it.
Remember that accident a couple years back? Colony ship en route to Cygnus, 700 dead.
Vaguely a slip space drive malfunction, right?
Actually, it worked fine. The drive was mounted improperly after a service haul-out. When it fired, it teleported half the ship to oblivion.
This is relevant. How?
A certain Covenant supercarrier could, with some assistance, suffer the same unfortunate accident.
Even for you, Cat, that's
Inspired?
not the word I would use.
What's going on?
Go ahead. Explain.
May I?
Don't cut yourself.
Objective: destroy Covenant carrier in geosynchronous orbit above us.
This sanctioned, sir.
What do you think?
Method: a slip space drive in lieu of the nukes we don't have. Delivery system: us. Solvable: getting us up there. That and getting our hands on a slip space drive. Thank you for sharing.
So, all we need is orbit-capable transport and the single most expensive piece of equipment made by man.
As a soldier in the field, I couldn't possibly have access to those kinds of resources. That said, a good place to look might be, I don't know, the nearest non-existent launch site in the non-existent Saber program dismissed by 3 administrations as preposterous rumor, and in which our newest member was certainly never a pilot.
You're scary. You know that.
All we need is a green light from Holly.
Good luck with that.
You're the one asking him.
Well, there's no way in hell he's gonna go for this.
Okay, guys, that's where we are going to end it for today's episode. Thank you all for joining me. Like and subscribe to get notified for future videos, and check out my Twitch, Mr. _Puppy Cuddles, to see me live stream. Peace.